What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new pattern in flstudiomobile. It's a basic tutorial for beginners. I thought about this video and I saw that it's very important to make one for people who are new to flstudiomobile. So throughout this video you will find many tips and tricks and shortcuts that will help you. And if you want to apply all this that I'm gonna teach you today, you must be able to have FL Studio at your access, which is available on Google Play Store. The link is on the description down below. Basically, FL Studio Mobile is a good a music creating app that you can use, and I found it better than the rest. And without wasting any further time, by the way, you can create any type of genre in this app. Check my other videos to find out. Without wasting any further time, let's get to the video. First thing first, let me show you around the FL Studio Mobile. Let me start with the mastering volume. You can decrease or increase the volume. There's so much you can do on FL Studio Mobile. That's why I prefer it on top of other music creating apps. Here you can add your steps, third, second, and sixth step. It's better for playing around the notes and the scales and creating melodies. You can zoom on your door. You can use your fingers to zoom to see clearly. And this side you're gonna find your projects that you're working on. I usually name them with months so that I know I'm growing. This is the setting where you can change your themes if you want to. Here you can buy new sounds, get creative. This is where you find your files and connect, and you can quit, but not now. And then back to the master, you have to increase the volumes. On the FL Studio Mobile, you have to come and choose a scale before you make a beat, and you must make sure you choose a scale that you love. I usually love C major. It's very easy to start with. Anybody can do it, especially beginners. I've made a lot of beats about it. You can record vocals. You can play around with the BPM. Slow BPM is the best though. You can play with the metronome to catch a beat. You can link to the MIDI CC if you have a MIDI keyboard. I used to have one, unfortunately I lost it. What a dummy. Then you can add automation clip to any parameter you are using, like reverb, chorus, flanger, etc. There's so much to do. Get the FL Studio Mobile on Google Play Store, and one day we can collab and make good beats, good music. People gonna dance. So if you're a beginner and you start your app, it will be like this. And you click here on the master channel, you will find everything you can add from echo, level, filters, and mix. So first thing first, let's create a new pattern. You can click here, and then you can find anything you can add from drums, instrument, audio clips, the synthesizers, bass, slicer. I love slicer. So first thing, let's start with the drums. You can check which ones you want or you prefer. 808. I always make trap beats, so let's choose the 808, where you find your kicks, snares, percussions, hi-hats, open heads, cymbals, all the drums you need. Then come down here, there is velocity, panning, pitch, and repeat. And then you click on the sample and tweak it, change it to how you like it. Sequencer, you can string your drums to give it a different sound. There's so much to do though. I'm learning. And You can click again to add an instrument. You can add a bass, bells, drums, guitar, keyboard, pianos, and then I really want to add a bass right now just to start with. Oh my god, what's really happening? And then when you add a bass, you will have notes where you can put any random notes that you want to put. Now I have two patterns for the drums and the instrument bass. Then you can click on the pattern, then you will find the channel settings where you can name it. Basically it's drums, but I'm gonna name it my name just because I can. Then you write your own naming. It's drums, not Nicholas. Then click, and then you can change the colors that you like. I prefer, okay, choose, okay, I like this one. Then you can extend the pattern. If it's not, then you can press this side at the top, and then you can copy the channel, clone it, duplicate it, is cloning, or you can delete the channel if you don't want it, and you can insert a channel. You can save MIDI to send it to someone if you're collaborating, and there's so much that you can do. Just play around with the settings. The rest is history. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think about the video, and thank you for watching. More videos on the way. That's it for today.